screws and everything. I take it. Here are a bag for the main wheel. Parts for the main wheel, parts for the rudder, what's this? Ah, for steps. What is step? The horizontal stabilizer, I think. Aha. Okay. No. Is the word? I don't know. Parts for the main wing. And cowling and canopy. And we have motor parts. Okay, very cool. I don't know, it fits with my motor. The recommended motor for this one is normally an AXI motor. And when you buy this plane with the recommended motor and ESC and everything, then I think this will be fits perfectly for the motor. I don't know it fits with my motor. We try it. There are some extensions here. We will see. Screws. Everything is here. Very cool. Very nice quality of this. I'll show you a little bit nearer. I want to check it. Okay, I think that is better. Motor plate, extensions. Very cool quality. Take it back in the back. Everything here. Okay. Here we have carbon tubes for the wings, for the rudder, and for the elevators, I think. Oh, that's very light. Very cool. But very short for the wing, for the main wing, I think. I'm excited. This is for the rudder or the elevators, I don't know. Oops. Huh? That's it. I don't know which one. We find out. I think this one is for the rudder. Okay. I take this here. So, what's next? I don't want to take out the fuselage. I want to take it at the last. But I take this here. Okay. It goes on the part. Here are the elevators. Looks cool. Looks very cool. Okay, I take one out. This is very great. This is great. This is very great. Cool. I like this very much. Look how smooth. Nice and smooth. It's not glued, but it's okay. We glue this. Look at this quality. Look. Huh? Cool, huh? Very nice. Very nice work. Here the hinges. Very nice. Look. Here. Here's already a carbon tube already glued. I think this is for this one here, but not sure. Fits perfect. Okay, we take this here. Check out the other one. Also very nice quality. Look at this. Look. Cool. This is already glued inside. Here also. This is for the servo. Servo comes here inside. Very cool. Okay. Next, what's next? We have here a big box. Aha. Okay. Okay, what we have here? This is for the wheels, for the main wing. Very light, but it's okay. For the wheels. Okay. Here. Very good packed. Ah, here the tip tanks. Oh, I like planes with tip tanks. It looks so nice. Look at this. Wow, so cool. Looks so great. Look at this. For the lights, here for the screws, you can unscrew it. Very cool. Very cool. Oh, here's a little, I don't know for what. Very nice quality for the cables, light cables. Very cool. And of course the other side, the other one. This is interesting. I don't know for what is this. Maybe for the air. I don't know. We will see. Nice job. Nice paint job. Okay, we do this here. That's the cowl. Look at this. Wow. Wow, look at this. Huh? Now you can imagine how big